to this lesson on balancing chemical equations. Today, we'll be balancing the reaction between hydrochloric acid and calcium hydroxide. Let's start with our unbalanced equation. We have HCl plus CaOH2 yielding CaCl2 plus H2O. To balance this equation, we need to make sure that the number of atoms of each element is the same on both sides. Let's count the atoms. Let's start by balancing chlorine. We have one chlorine atom on the left and two on the right. To balance this, we need to add a coefficient of 2 in front of HCl. Now, let's update our atom count. We now have 2 chlorine atoms on both sides, but we've also increased the number of hydrogen atoms on the left side to 4. Now we need to balance oxygen and hydrogen. We have 2 oxygen atoms on the left and only 1 on the right. We also have 4 hydrogen atoms on the left and only 2 on the right. We can fix both of these by adding a coefficient of 2 in front of H2O. Let's do our final atom count to make sure everything is balanced. Great! We've successfully balanced our chemical equation. The final balanced equation is 2 HCl plus CaOH2 yields CaCl2 plus 2 H2O. Remember, in a balanced chemical equation, the number of atoms of each element should be the same on both sides of the arrow. Let's visualize this balanced equation with some simple diagrams. And that's how we balance this chemical equation. Remember, practice makes perfect when it comes to balancing equations. Keep working at it, and soon you'll be a pro.